Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of God of YouTube. So obviously today, I'm just going to be taking you through a little quick video or tutorial on obviously how to be able to shut your PC down a lot faster than you would obviously going all through the settings. So obviously we're just going to jump straight into it. So obviously what you'd do is you would right click in the middle of the screen, go down to new, go to shortcuts, and then where it says type the location of item, you would then type in slide to shutdown. There you go. Go to next. And then where it says type a name for this shortcut, you would then type in shutdown. Okay, and then you click finish. And then you go to yes. And obviously it's actually there on the corner. There you go, and you click on it. You go to properties, change icon, just obviously click OK again. And then it will give you all these little icons. Now the one I'm going to click is, yeah, we'll go with that one, which is the power button. Click on that, click on OK. And go to apply, click on apply, click on OK. And obviously it's just changed it to the icon what I've obviously suggested. Click on the icon, you can drag it to anywhere you want on your desktop screen, doesn't really matter as long as you can click on it and you can see it. And obviously right there then you can drag it then to the bottom completely and then let it go. I'm not going to do that because obviously it'll turn all my computer off. But yeah, so that's obviously exactly how you do it. It's nice and easy, as simple. Faster than obviously having to go all through the settings and do it that way. Just an easy, simple shortcut. So yeah, guys. So obviously that's just a bit about, you know, a little simple shortcut of how to do that. So obviously, guys, don't forget to also like and subscribe, and any comments, link them in down below, and I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.